Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I made this beautiful crisscross hairstyle with DIY crochet coily hair. So if that sounds like something you'd like to watch, or if that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching, and with no further ado, let us dive right in. I'll be using some flexi rollers and this other one, but you can use either of them. I also need a pre-plucked extension. If you can't get the pre-plucked one, you can get the normal one and pluck it yourself. I will take some quantities from the extension, then brush out and start rolling. First, I'll be using this type, this other one. I don't know what it is called. I will start passing my extension round through it. Like this one tends to be a bit more easier since it has the line, the mark where you follow through when rounding your extensions. And I think, you know, this will be more favorable when your extension is short. For my extension, it is long, and hence I had leftover when I was done rounding it round it, so I had to pass it again across it. I don't know if you guys are getting me. So yeah, this is it, easy peasy. Next, I will go in with this other type, this flexi rollers, and I will do the same. This one is longer, so it was able to contain the extension without passing it across twice. So after passing it across, I will bend it at the end so it can hold the extension from loosening out or from unraveling, and I will do the same for the other end. Like when you are doing this, you start from the middle of the extension and from the middle of the rod or the other type so that you can wrap both ends. I don't know if you guys are getting me, so that you can wrap both ends. Now I am done wrapping them all. I finished the extension pack. So right now I'm gonna put them into hot water, like a boiled water. Okay, now I'm pouring my boiled water into a bowl, and after that I will add this leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Next, I'll start putting in the extensions into the water, pour everything in and cover up for just 2 minutes. You don't have to leave it in for too long. 2 minutes is okay, or even a minute can do the job. So after that, I'll pour up the water and then take it to where I can air dry them. You can just spread it on the floor, just anywhere can do, okay? Now it's time to begin my hair. First, I am moisturizing with just water, and then I'll go in with my sectioning comb to part a straight line from one ear to the other. Time high, anxiety is showing underneath my eyes. Watching as I let you take up all my time. Next, I'll begin to part out a straight line in the middle of this front part, and also I will part out another straight line in between one side of the parted line. And of course, I'm using some shine and jam to slick down my hair for easy parting. And again, in between one of these parted side, I will part out yet another line, which I'll furthermore divide into 4 squares. Okay? Grade me, mess things up, and always blame me. Smile politely while you tear me down. I don't wanna be a yes man, pull the bluff and wanna shoot my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego, but I can never say no. Push and pull, now I think I'm getting seasick. Say what you mean and put your money where your mouth is. Giving the run around, thinking I'm gonna drown. Head above water, but I'm going down. You're so used to getting the things you want. Burn down your bridges, no matter the cost. Put on a poker face, trying to play the game like you're the king and I'm your pawn. Don't wanna be a yes man, pour the bluff and wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. And I just want you to know that the way I let you use me got me so mad. Bury me alive like I'm a first class casualty. So after tying all 4 with a rubber band, I should have crossed it over. That is the whole crisscross vibe, but somehow I forgot that. But don't worry, we're going to be coming back to it soon. The next thing I'll do is to pat out a very tiny line just like this, and I will braid. Okay, I will cornrow rather. Well, either of them. I'll go ahead to cornrow. Repeated the same thing here, like I sectioned it to 4, then put all 4 into a rubber band. So this is the crisscross I'm talking about. I will move one to the other end, like in a cross pattern. Okay. I don't know how to explain that, but just watch and see what I'm doing. So after I was done crisscrossing this one, I went ahead to do the same for this. For the first one, I put into rubber bands.
To lose myself to your ego. Don't wanna be a yes man. Put a bluff and wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. And I just want you.
I am done crisscrossing the whole front, so now I'm moving on to the back. For this back, all I'm doing is to cornrow. I'll pat out each line. I'll pat out a line, a straight line, and then cornrow with continuation of the hair from the crisscross. Like I will continue with the hair from the crisscross, if that makes any sense. See here, you don't have to make your lines perfect. If your lines are not clean, if they are not, you know, if your cornrows don't look that good, you don't have to worry about that, since at the end of the day we're going to be covering it up with the coily hair, the crochet hair. So don't stress about making the lines perfect or making the cornrows look perfect. Okay. So when I'm done cornrowing all my hair, I'll go ahead and start crocheting my hair with a crochet pin. Like I'll be hiding it underneath the cornrow so that there's no leave out or hair fly out. You know what I mean? And yeah.
All-time high, anxiety is showing underneath my eyes. Watching as I let you take up all my time, just to do it over again. Drag me through the dirt.
So next, here are my extensions that I coiled. They are all dried out. I will start loosening them out from the rods, okay, from the coily rods, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute, right? Like it's really cute. I mean,
braid me, mess things up, and always blame me. Smile politely while you tear me.
So to begin crocheting, I will start separating the coiling extensions. I will separate them so that it does not look bulky from the roots, you know, after crocheting each of them, so they don't look bulky from the roots. And also, you know, so it can give that full effect. I don't know if you guys get me. And yeah, for crocheting, you guys know the deal. You know how crocheting is done, but in case you don't know, don't worry, you will see soon how I'm doing it. First, I will separate the hair, and next I'll pick up my crochet pin and pass through my hair and put the extension onto the crochet pin, pass out only one side of the extension. So watch closely and see how I am doing this.
I don't wanna be a yes man. Put a bluff and wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. But I can never say no. Push and pull, now I think I'm getting seasick. Say what you mean and put.
Please, while doing this hairstyle, try as much as you can to crochet the front much more than the back, so the front is not looking flat. If possible, start your crocheting from the front so that your extensions don't start getting finished before you come to the front. I don't know if you're getting me. Like, start with the front if possible, so it will look bulky from where the crisscross stops. Yeah.
Where your mouth is, giving the run around, thinking I'm gonna drown, head up of water, but I'm going down. You're so used to getting the things you want, burn down your bridges, no matter the cost. Put on a poker face, trying to play the game like you're the king and I'm your pawn. Don't wanna be a yes man, bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry, cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. And I just want you to know that the way I let you use me got me so mad.
And I am done. So right now I will start trimming off the excess, like anyone that is not well balanced, that is not looking cute. Okay, I will trim it out with my pair of scissors, of course, and I'll also bob it out with my hair so it looks fuller. But if you don't want, in case you don't want it to look very full, no need of bopping it out, just leave it the way it is. But I wanted it to look, you know, you get what I mean, so I bobbed it out. And this is me after glamming up. Trust me, you guys, this glam up, I am not understanding. Like, look at my hairline, look at my my edges, like there's no makeup there and it looks really weird. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, it looks really weird. It took a lot from me to finally add this part to this video. At the point I was like, okay, let me just leave it at where I was trimming off my hair because I was not understanding my makeup. Okay, this is the end result. Even though my makeup was not doing justice to this hairstyle, it looks so good. This look finer in real life than it's looking on your screen right now. So let me know in the comment section, will you be trying out this hairstyle? This is really easy. Is easy. Like, once you are done with the front, that's it. Like, there's no much thing to do on this hair. It's one of the simplest hairstyles I have ever made on my hair, so you should try it out. And that is the end of this video. Please, if you watch this video to this point, do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share this video if you can, and see you in my next one.
And you
Bye
know
bye.
I always will till the end of time. I won't change my mind.